Welcome to Module 6.3, Digital Storytelling Foundations. In this session, we'll explore how storytelling principles can transform research communication through digital media, while traditional academic dissemination focuses primarily on conveying information. Digital storytelling engages audiences differently by creating narrative experiences that connect emotionally while communicating key insights. We'll examine what digital storytelling involves, its core elements, and how it differs from conventional research dissemination. Understanding these principles helps researchers develop more engaging, memorable ways to share their work with diverse audiences. Digital storytelling represents a distinctive approach to sharing research. At its core, it's a narrative approach using digital media, organizing research findings into story structures with beginnings, middles, and ends, rather than the traditional academic format. It combines personal voice with digital technology, bringing human perspective and connection to data through technological tools that enhance presentation. Digital storytelling creates emotional connection with data by highlighting the human implications of research findings rather than presenting them as detached facts. The multimodal presentation integrates various elements like text, images, audio, video, and graphics to engage multiple senses simultaneously. Finally, digital storytelling offers interactive potential that allows audiences to engage with content through exploration, customization, or contribution rather than passive consumption. These characteristics make digital storytelling particularly valuable for reaching non-academic audiences and communicating complex findings in accessible, engaging ways. Effective digital storytelling in research incorporates several essential elements. A compelling narrative structure organizes information into a coherent story with context, tension, or questions, development, and resolution, rather than simply listing findings. Including a personal perspective or connection helps audiences understand the human relevance behind the research, whether through researcher reflection, participant experiences, or stakeholder viewpoints. Emotional resonance engages audiences at an effective level through relatable situations, authentic voices, or meaningful implications that connect with shared values or experiences. Thoughtful visual and audio components enhance understanding through carefully selected images, graphics, music, or narration that complement rather than distract from the core message. A clear purpose and message ensures the story has a focused takeaway that audiences can readily grasp and remember. These elements work together to transform research findings from abstract information into meaningful stories that engage and persuade. Digital storytelling offers distinct advantages compared to traditional research dissemination. Accessibility differences include reaching broader audiences through more approachable language, reduced jargon, and formats that don't require specialized knowledge to understand. The engagement potential is substantially higher, capturing and maintaining audience attention through narrative tension, multimedia elements, and human connection rather than purely intellectual interest. Memory retention advantages emerge because information embedded in stories is typically remembered better than facts presented in isolation, with narrative structures providing mnemonic frameworks. The emotional impact of digital storytelling helps audiences connect personally with research implications, potentially increasing motivation to act on findings or support related efforts. Finally, participatory possibilities allow audiences to interact with content, contribute perspectives, or even collaborate in developing the narrative, creating deeper investment in the research. While traditional dissemination remains essential for academic discourse, digital storytelling provides complementary approaches for extending research impact beyond scholarly communities.